Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. This video is going to be useful for the 2016 through 2022 Honda Pilot. And if you need to change a tire and you're saying to yourself, how do I get this off? That's the wheel lock right there. That helps make it harder for anyone to steal your wheels and tires. But if you're looking for the key for doing that, for getting that off, I'm going to show you what to look for, and most likely it's going to be right here within the glove box. And so you're going to look for this bag. If you don't find it there are other places where you can look. Let's see if I can do this one-handed for you real quick so I can show you what the wheel lock key looks like. And there it is right there. You're just going to put that on the end of the lug wrench that comes, or the tire iron that comes with the vehicle. And then all you have to do is put it in right here, and it's going to lock in place once I get it on there. There we go. And that's going to lock in place, and then you can go ahead and remove that, and you're good to go. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured, or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.